Hello, Sir Madam. Let's try this product. Turtle Wax Scratch and Swirl Remover. Removes minor scratches and swirl marks. Provides wax protection and shine. Let's see if it's really worth it. Costs only $49.75. Turtle Wax Scratch and Swirl Remover is an advanced and car polish design to repair minor scratches and swirl marks quickly and easily and provide a high gloss showroom shine. Safe for all finishes, including neglected finishes and those exposed to environmental assaults and pollution. So, as you notice, there's some minor scratches here. Then here. So let's try this Turtle Wax Scratch and Swirl Remover if it can remove those scratches, minor scratches. Apply like that. See if it can remove those minor scratches. In circular motion. So as you notice, medyo nag-improve siya. Just a little. See? Then in circular motion, just rub it like this, or just wipe it like this. Wow, looks like this product is worth it. See, nag-improve po siya. Just be patient. See, it's less visible now. Just a little more. Just a little more. Then apply it in circular motion. Like that. Then just flip your microfiber cloth, then wipe it or rub it in circular motion. Wow. Wow, nag-improve po siya. Makikita nyo po yung mga minor scratches. It is now less visible compared before. See? Okay. Laki ng improvement. So, kuwan po siya. Effective. Ayan po, effective po siya. Kanina, kitang-kita yung mga minor scratches. But now, it is less visible. See? This is after applying the turtle wax, scratch and swirl remover. So less visible na siya. We'll try the other one. So let's try this minor scratches here. Just little and circular motion. Then flip your microfiber cloth. Flip it, then wipe like that. Wow, magic! Laking improvement. Oh. Just a little more. Just a little. Wipe it. Rub it in circular motion. There you go. Wow, laki ng improvement kanina. Kitang-kita yung gasgas. But now, laki ng improvement. So I think this product is worth it for minor scratches. Pero pag malalim, syempre rubbing compound ang kailangan nyo. Oh, see? Laki ng improvement nya, oh. One more. Wow, look at that. The difference is not noticeable. Tanggal nga po yung minor scratches. Wow, that's good. So this product is really worth it. Laki ng improvement. Kanina kitang-kita yung mga gasgas. Ngayon halos hindi na po visible siya. Hindi na po siya visible. nabawasan po yung visibility ng gas-gas. You put it there.